Hey internet, welcome to heat transfer tutorial. We want to find how much it costs to heat up this home. The area is 201 meters squared, the height is 4 meters, the pressure is 101.3 kPa. The inertial temperature is 11 degrees Celsius. It heats up the air until it's 23 degrees Celsius. The cost is 7.6 cents per kilowatt hour. Step 1, draw your free body diagram, your FBD. This will help you visualize the problem. We've got a house. We start at 11 degrees. It heats up to 23 degrees Celsius, and we're heating up the air. Step 2, list all the given values. Find the unknown. We're trying to find the cost, but first we need to find the heat transfer. Step 3, find the energy cost. So that's energy used multiplied by the unit cost of energy. They give us the unit cost of energy. So we're trying to find Q. So step 4, find the energy used per hour. So that's Q divided by kilowatt hour. So we're missing Q. We need to find that. Step 5, find the heat transfer formula. So Q is equal to MC delta T. We're missing mass and CP. We can look up CP. We need to find mass. Step 6, find the mass formula. So we're going to use ideal gas because they give us the pressure and they give us the information to find the volume. They also give us the temperature, so we can just look up the gas constant of R, but we also need to calculate the volume as well. So step 7, find the volume, area times height. So this is your area, 201 meters squared multiplied by 4 meters, that's 804 meters cubed. Step 8, find the gas constant of air, look it up in your table. So that's 0.2870 kilojoules divided by kilograms Kelvin. Step 9, find the mass. The temperature needs to be absolute because it's an ideal gas. So you add 273, it becomes 284 Kelvin. Okay, so you plug and play. Your mass is 509.34 kilograms. Step 10, find the CP. So once again, you'll look it up in your table. The range from 15 to 70 is 1.007 kilojoules per kilogram per degree Celsius. Alright. Step 11, find the heat transfer. Once again, we backtrack and heat and plug and play. So we backtrack to the heat transfer, then plug and play. Okay, so you've got your mass, you've got your CP, and you've got your change in temperature. Excuse the background noise of the helicopter flying past. Okay, so your heat transfer is 6,154.86 kilojoules. Step 12, find the energy used per kilowatt hour. So now that we've got Q, kilowatt hour, so 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3,600 kilojoules. So the energy used is 1.7. So we will get 1.7 multiplied by 7 cents per kilowatt hour. So that becomes 0.129. So that's 12.9 cents per kilowatt hour. I should write that. So per kilowatt hour. Okay. So that's how much it costs to heat up from 11 degrees to 23 degrees Celsius to heat up the home for air. So final statement, it takes 12.9 cents to raise the temperature from 11. I just said that. Okay. So that is your final answer. 12 cents per kilowatt hour, and from this temperature to the final temperature. Alright, so actually I think it is just, I was right the first time. I think it's just 12 cents. Okay, although 12 cents per kilowatt hour makes more sense. Regardless, it is 12 cents to raise this temperature to the final temperature. I think that's, you understand. There's a statement here clarifying just in case. Okay, so disclaimers, the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. Now before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. You can do this by using Snipping Tool. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of Snipping Tool. If you never used Snipping Tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in Snipping Tool, open up the program. Click on Video option, click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in Snipping Tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in Snipping Tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you got questions, comments, or if you find a mistake in the video, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.